Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Satria Putra and my friend
Andri Dwi Prasetyo. We go to school at Taruna Satria Pekanbaru. Okay, I give you a tutorial on making a syrup that can make you fish instantly. Let's just go to tutorial.
First, we prepare the ingredients. The ingredients are 2 glass, 3 spoons. Prepare a bowl for the Nata De Coco place. Ice cup, water, syrup, and Nata De Coco. Then pass the syrup into the glass. Knock Nata De Coco. Ice cup as syrup. Add no water. Then stir until evenly distributed.
Nata De Coco syrup is ready to enjoy and is perfect for this summer. Enjoy! That's a tutorial on how to make Nata De Coco syrup. So of us if there is a word we follow this profusely. We end. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.